Welcome to Future Aspirants. Now we will discuss 20th August 2021 daily current affairs. India has launched a tech platform named Unite Aware in collaboration with the UN for improving the safety and security of the UN peacekeepers. The platform was launched in the presence of External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar at the United Headquarters. India has contributed $1.64 million for Unite Aware. Secretary General for Peacekeeping Operations Jean Pierre Lacroix, Department of Peacekeeping Operations, founded on March 1992. Department of Peacekeeping Operations headquarters located at New York, United States. BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa signed an agreement for cooperation in remote sensing satellite data sharing. Signed a deal on remote sensing satellite data sharing, according to ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. BRICS signed deal on cooperation in remote sensing satellite data sharing, according to ISRO. ISRO Chairman K. Sivan, ISRO headquarters located Bangalore, Karnataka. ISRO established on 15th August 1969. The agreement was signed under India's BRICS chairship. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, have jointly developed an advanced chaff technology to safeguard fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force (IAF) from enemy radar threats. DRDO develops advanced chaff technology to protect Indian Air Force jets. Chairman of DRDO G. Satish Reddy, headquarters of DRDO located at New Delhi. DRDO established on 1958. An all-women tri-services mountaineering team successfully scaled Mount Manirang, that is 2,625 feet in Himachal Pradesh on 15th August 2021 and unfurled the national flag as a part of the commemorative activities for Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to celebrate the 75 years of independence. An all-women tri-services mountaineering team successfully scaled Mount Manirang in Himachal Pradesh on 15th August 2021. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh launched Defence India Startup Challenge DISC. Defence India Startup Challenge DISC 5.0 under Innovations for Defence Excellence, Defence Innovation Organization IDEX DIO. Defence Excellence Defence Innovation Organization initiative on August 19, 2021 in New Delhi. Rajnath Singh launches Defence India Startup Challenge DISC 5.0 under Innovations for Defence Excellence and Defence Innovation Organization on August 19, 2021 in New Delhi. Whereas the Ministry of Defence has earmarked 1,000 crore for domestic procurement through the IDX initiative for the financial year 2021 to 2022. India ratings Indira FY 2022 at 9.4%. Earlier, Indira has projected the rate at between 9.1% to 9.6% in between. Indira revises GDP growth projection to 9.4% in financial year 2022. India has ranked second in terms of crypto adoption worldwide, behind Vietnam, but ahead of countries such as US, UK and China, according to the 2021 Global Crypto Adoption Index by blockchain data platform Chainalysis. India has ranked second in terms of crypto adoption in the world, whereas the first place is in Vietnam. But India is ahead of the countries such as US, UK and China. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has virtually inaugurated the Center for Research and Innovation in Artificial Intelligence, set up at the Indian Institute of Technology IIT Hyderabad. Dharmendra Pradhan, Union Education Minister, has inaugurated the Center for Research and Innovation in Artificial Technology at IIT Indian Institute of Technology at Hyderabad. World Mosquito Day is observed on 20th August annually to raise awareness about the causes of malaria and how it can be prevented. The theme amid the coronavirus pandemic. This year, amid the coronavirus pandemic, the theme of World Mosquito Day 2021 is reaching the zero malaria target. World Mosquito Day is observed annually on 20th August every year. The theme of this year is reaching the zero malaria target. Every year, India observes Sadbhavana Divas on August 20 to commemorate the birth anniversary of late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. This year on 20th August 2021, we are going to celebrate 77th birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Sadbhavana Divas is celebrated every year on 20th August. Akshay Urja Divas or Renewable Energy Day is observed every year on 20th August to raise awareness about the developments and adoption of renewable energy in India. Akshay Ujra Divas or Renewable Energy Day is observed every year on 20th August. And Sadbhavana Divas is observed every year on 20th August. World Mosquito Day is also observed every year on 20th August. With a network of solar-based electric vehicle charging stations, the Delhi and Chandigarh highway has become the country's first EV-friendly highway in the country. Which highway becomes the first EV-friendly highway in India? That is Delhi-Chandigarh highway. Amazon has launched the voice of the 78-year-old Bollywood star Amitabh Bachchan as a part of its efforts to amuse existing users and attract new customers to use its voice assistant over Google Assistant and Apple Siri. Amazon Alexa gets Amitabh Bachchan's voice in India. Whereas the feature initially arrived in the US with the voice of American actor and producer Samuel L. Jackson in 2019. Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, will inaugurate the country's first smog tower on August 23, 2021. Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Anil Baijal. Faridabad Smart City Limited has roped in an unlikely collaborator to help promote its initiatives on social media, comic hero Chacha Chowdhury. Faridabad Smart City ropes in comic book icon Chacha Chowdhury to aid mission. Thank you for watching.